Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device and backing up any images you want to keep. This prevents accidental loss. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Personalization or Wallpapers so you land on the carousel controls. Make sure you are signed into the same account used for the carousel, otherwise the option may be disabled. If an app manages wallpapers, open that app next. Now you've reached the control panel where the carousel and toggles are visible. Ready for change. You now disable the carousel by switching off the automatic change or wallpaper carousel toggle. This stops new images from appearing. Next, remove any linked albums, cloud folders, or app collections that feed the carousel so nothing can restart it. If the carousel is managed by a separate app, open its permissions and revoke wallpaper access, then uninstall if necessary. Make sure to clear app cache or storage so cached images and settings are removed, which prevents You finish by choosing and applying a static wallpaper for home and lock screens so the carousel won't resume. Once applied, restart the device to ensure the change persists and to clear any temporary caches that might restore the carousel. If the carousel returns, uninstall the wallpaper app or revoke its permissions, and then reset personalization settings. This removes hidden links. One tip: if toggles are grayed out, check account sync or administrator/device management policies that may enforce.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.